Hello, I'm Sophie from SGS Design in Tunbridge Wells, and I head up a small interior design studio where we work on residential projects. We were really excited to work with Salacia on this installation for their extended showroom, and we got the rare opportunity to set ourselves our own brief, which we don't often get to do, and we wanted to create this spa-like environment, really warm and cosy and really inviting. We wanted to use a lot of texture, but all in a similar tone. So the starting point was the micro cement that we put on the walls, which is waterproof, and we've combined that with beautiful sapietra undulating tiles that reflect an uneven light. The brassware is matched throughout this installation, so the taps are also matched to the shower, and they're all in the same brass finish. They're from our favourite suppliers, a manufacturer called Samuel Heath, and they're a range called Form, and this particular shape is called Oriole. And what we love about them is it's got a slightly patinated look, which reflects the texture of the walls. And then we added this beautiful undulating screen, which adds another layer of texture, and that one's a majestic reeded screen that we've put in there. So when we work with brass, it can be quite tricky to match the finishes when we're using different manufacturers. But in this instance, we worked with Salacia, and they helped us select the right brass finishes to combine. And so the towel rail that's sitting behind me is a heated towel rail, and it's a sterling Ampura in a very similar finish. It was really exciting on this project to work with a new product that we didn't know anything about previously. So it was an education for us as well to work with Salacia with their new joinery range that they do. And this vanity can be bespoke, different finishes, and you can put different inlay into the drawers and drawers as well. So you can make it yours. For us, we added a textured wallpaper, and then we mounted these stunning organic shaped oval bowls on top, which are Ashton and Bentley. And then above it, we've mounted a single mirror, and we selected this one from Origins Living, and it's the Brooklyn in a brushed bronze finish. And then either side of it, for light to the face, we put in these J. Adams beautiful reeded wall lights. Where we've got any white fittings within the bathroom, we've opted for suppliers that could supply these in a matte finish so that they don't contrast strongly against the other finishes in the bathroom. And that includes a Betty steel tray in a matte white and the Duravit Me by Stark Blue also in a matte white. I think SGS come with a very strong design aesthetic, and we know what we want, but what we get from Salacia is the support with the technical design and also their knowledge and background within the industry. So we can ask them any question and they'll go away and research it for us and source things if we can't find them from our known suppliers. So we've already done our first yacht this year, so that was a great starting point for 2025, and everything just seems to be getting bigger and better. We love what we do, and we just want to keep being better at what we do and experiencing more exciting clients and more exciting projects. The process of working with Salacia has been really pleasurable. We've really enjoyed this whole process, and they couldn't do any more to help us with decision making and finalising the design. And one of the things that is really handy is their amazing showroom and having that local contact. So we're a local small business working with another local small business, and we look forward to future projects with them.